what's interesting is what you just said made me think this, because we've been talking about what's the benefit to retailers. And
Right.
yes, we've got some of the basic benefits like third-party validation, speeding up settlement, moving towards electronic clearing, operationally not having to handle paper coupons. We all kind of, I think, understand what those
Yep.
are at this point. But what I just heard you say made me think this could be a whole new version of trade. So I, as a manufacturer now, am going to issue this coupon, but Target can partner with me to help subsidize part of it if it's
Correct.
used in their store. I don't know, somebody's probably going to send me some crazy email that's not trade, but you know what I'm saying? I think that's an interesting new twist of how the retailers and the CPGs can partner together.